These are not mines that date back to Mohenjo-daro. These are mines, directional fragmentation, claymore mines and bounding fragmentation mines, minimum metal blast mines. You know that these mines are of very recent make. So don't say this goes back to 1947.
These mines
or not, let's go beyond the mines.
Control area.
No, we'll go beyond
on the Indian and Pakistani side is littered with mines.
No, sir, the mines are an issue.
Yeah.
There is a dispute.
Sir,
there is a dispute.
The issue.
India has a position. Pakistan has a position.
The vulnerability of the CBMs which are taking place between India and Pakistan.
Yes, the CBMs
because Pakistan is interested in normalization of relations with India, and your media, by creating a hype,
sir, don't blame the media.
Escalating everything is
General
not
Bakshi
adding to the CBMs, but is rather becoming a party.
General Bakshi,
to the escalation which is going up by every step.
No, General Bakshi, watch, Brigadier, don't keep shooting the messenger. Your foreign minister is also obsessed with the Indian media. She must not be obsessed. Look at the issue.
Look
at the issue. General Bakshi.
You've never even given me the airtime to talk.
So I'll come to you, but General Bakshi, Brigadier Javed says, let's move away from the mines.
Yes.
Is this evidence not important? It is either Pakistan concedes the evidence in the given context of what has been happening. Is this evidence not important? General Bakshi.
It is a fabricated evidence.
This evidence is germane to what is happened, to why emotions are so inflamed in India. You know, people feign ignorance. We have, Her Excellency, the Pakistani Foreign Minister, gushing in terms of peace talks and just failing to understand why there is such a bravura in India. The simple fact is, our boys are getting killed. Our boys are getting mutilated. Our citizens are getting shut up by psychopaths sent across. Your citizens are being killed by the Frankensteins you raised. We did not raise these people ourselves.
And which India is supporting.
If you are suffering today
which India
because of your own creation.
Yes, it's happening.
Which Frankenstein have we supported? It is the people that you have nurtured to destabilize Afghanistan, to destabilize India, is coming back to haunt you. You know, the dear lady is not told a thing by the Pakistan Army, by the Pakistan ISI. She's kept beautifully in the dark. And she genuinely means what she's saying.
Can tell you.
But she is not aware. She is not aware of the feelings in this country.
No.
Now,
just a minute. The Frankenstein that you saying we have created was actually created by the CIA against the Soviet Union. And if you go back to the Bombay and Kasab and everything you're referring to, all the plans were made in United States of America.
Really?
Those people were American citizens who were involved in the planning.
One second, Brigadier Sharaf.
Gentlemen, let's move forward.
I want to move forward.
Let me say something on peace process.
Mr. Arif Chaudhry. Mr. Arif Chaudhry, my question to you is, Brigadier Chaudhry, Mr. Chaudhry, take a question. You see, everyone's not a CIA agent. Why am I talking so much about the mines today? Because I want to know whether Pakistanis, rational Pakistanis will accept that you are tying yourself up in knots, that you are making too many mistakes. In trying to correct one lie, you are going to have to cover up with something else. Mr. Chaudhry, was Mahmood Ali Durrani, Pakistan's national security advisor, a CIA agent? Is that why your government, Yusuf Raza Gilani, fired him when he acknowledged that Ajmal Kasab was a Pakistani? I'm asking you this because, you must learn from experience that when you make these mistakes, you end up embarrassing yourself. Now, was your national security advisor a CIA agent?
Can I answer now? Can I answer?
Yes.
First of all, I would request you to, at the end of the show, you should calculate the time, how much time you gave to Pakistani participants, how much time was consumed by your good self, and how much time was consumed by your friends.
I will send you a record.
So today, while I am here, let me straighten the record. The entire peace process and this peace initiative is supported by Pakistan establishment, by Pakistan political parties, as well as Pakistan military establishment. That's why you see, this Pakistan-Indian peace processes going on. So today,
So where's
I
the
think
peace process? Come
These
on.
intellectuals, I would most humbly request these intellectuals that instead of going after this blame game, which is exclusive domain of those who want to escalate tensions, we should come out of this and we should look forward what is haunting both sides. We are being threatened by the same enemy which you are blaming. And I would request that this terrorism should unite both of us on one front to fight them back. Instead of giving
No,
them
you
an
answer my
opportunity
question.
that they can take advantage of
No, one sec. I agree with you. Yes.
You sit on some evidence, with so-called evidence.
So
and
it's hard
try
evidence.
to rebut, get it rebuttal from like a cross-examiner.
Yes.
Because all these things.
So
if
this
we
is not
just
a cross-
want to-
this is
if
just
we have
straight
to
question.
escalate- Yeah.
No,
So
no,
if
this
we
is
have
not a
to escalate
cross-examination.
tensions, then each
Sir, I
thing,
object to the phrase
that is an
cross-examination.
irritant, and anybody can, anybody can escalate and anybody can, help
you-
increasing
Mr.
this
Chaudhary.
tension.
Arnab, may I?
But if we really want to,
Mr. Chaudhary.
yes, sir.
Mr. Chaudhary, please, sir, you did not answer my
May I?
question. My simple question was your national security advisor a CIA agent when he said that Kasav was a Pakistani?
Look.
No, was your, no, one second. Was Rahman Malik?
Okay, whose agent are right now you?
Was
working as,
Rahman Malik
when
a
you-
CIA
okay,
agent when he said a
sitting
major,
on such
a major part of the
I know the
conspiracy,
importance
a
of-
major part of the conspiracy
No,
was shaped in
I
India?
know-
When people speak the
Is
truth.
this, the style of a good anchor person that you don't allow anybody, once you raise a question, then you don't allow
So this point on CIA agent was raised by you.
Meanwhile, you interrupt. And that is what has been happening all the time.
step in,
If
Arnab?
you really want a good participation from both
Arnab,
sides,
be a good listener.
let us explain uninterrupted.
Sir,
Sir,
I
when
want
you
to-
interrupt, the entire chain of thoughts, even if we really want to respond to your question directly, we
Sir,
cannot find time
Mr.
calculate,
Chaudhary, Mr. Chaudhary, Brigadier Sharaf and Javed Hussain, my simple point to you is this. I have only presented today repeated instances of how Pakistan and its leaders have tied themselves up in knots. And why am I saying so today? Please understand. Today we present you more evidence. Sir, the more you deny the
That
evidence
is your-
today, the more tomorrow you will have to
your
correct yourself.
allegations and categorically rebutted by our experts,
You see-
even those who have been in the army and those experts, and they have told you that this has
Okay,
been happening.
let me answer your
Yeah.
this question. I'll give you a technical answer to this question.
Technical
if
answer.
you allow me.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Brigadier,
Yes.
General Jaswal,
Okay.
General Jaswal
The
and,
government-
General
Yes.
Bakshi will respond after you finish. Yes, go ahead. Technical response. I have 2 minutes on this debate. A technical response coming in from Brigadier Sharaf from Lahore. Go ahead. On the mines.
Okay. I am also a television anchor on a television station in Pakistan. I conduct talk shows on internal security and international relations. I asked General Durrani this specific question: who permitted you? Why were you asked to resign and leave?
Yes.
The entire issue is related to the NRO dispensation, against which the Supreme Court of Pakistan has
Sir.
already passed a judgment of it being invalid.
Sir, that's
because
right.
we as Pakistanis and we as representatives of a political
Sir.
party and patriotic Pakistanis feel that there were so many people inducted into the Pakistani establishment who should have not been there
No.
in the first place. Rahman Malik was a dual citizen. It is just recently that he has renounced his British citizenship. And not only this controversy,
So-
even the existing controversy which is taking place in the squares of Islamabad, he is seen giving different statements.
Yeah, but that's
He is
your
such a
problem. That's
trigger-happy
that's your
individual.
problem. He's your interior minister. 1 minute. He's your interior minister. General Bakshi, do you accept this argument that, our interior minister was a British citizen till recently? As far as the sacking of your national security advisor is concerned, let me remind you, he
No,
was
it is
sacked for
irrelevant.
failing
It
to
is
take
irrelevant.
Gilani
No, no.
and other stakeholders into confidence for a lack of coordination on matters of national
see,
security. No, we are not
Sanjay-
buying that argument,
Sanjay,
sir.
if you go into the details of the Memogate scandal
Arnab.
and you
Sir.
go through all the details which have appeared, you will see many names appearing in that.
Sir, when we
and all those people are a security risk to Pakistan.
Sir, so 1 minute. One last point here, which I'm making here. General Bakshi is responding to you.
Arnab,
Yes,
Arnab.
General Bakshi.
30 seconds.
Arnab,
I give you 30
we
seconds
have
after General
not
Bakshi.
heard-
Yes.
Okay. Arnab, we have patiently heard our Pakistani colleagues from across. May I just state that, they sound reasonableness personified, when they talk of the various interpretations that can be given to the current situation.